Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all well. Here's a video of a recent sound installation completed by John D from our workshop team. This time on a Heljan 00 gauge Bayer Garrett. John used a Zimmo MX648R sound decoder loaded with our ZS024A Heljan Garrett active drive sound file for Zimmo decoders, a Lays DCC 86009 stair live, and everything was being pumped through an Al Sound 23 by 20 by 8 speaker. This is an active drive sound file, so features things such as heavy and light engine mode, dynamic inertia, and braking on F2. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe so don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting decoders, sound or non-sound installed in your locos, please do get in touch either via email, johng@digitrains.co.uk, or over the phone on 01522 527 731. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.